All right. Third video. A certain friend was demanding for this. They knew who they are. They know who they are. But fine. They're complaining. Fine. I'm recording this earlier than normal then. All right. Angler Rock Largos. All right. All right. All right. All right. You know these guys are fucking adorable. What do I do? I don't know where to start. I'm suffering from. I guess I could like get more of you guys. Ooh, you know what I should do? I should find the bat slime, right? I think it's this one. And then merge it with the boom slime. That guy. Right? And then they become the Giga slime. Alright. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I'm watching Bryce stream right now. Hello, Bryce. You may or may not be watching this, but hello. Did I even, am I recording? I am recording, okay. Phew. Kind of panicked there. What am I stalling for? Oh yeah, I need money. I need money. So I don't have. How would I start getting money when I don't have any money? That's a very, very good question. Uh, oh, I have money right here. I have money in here. Alright, 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 alright. I have money in here. Hopefully it's enough to afford the thingy. I'm gonna have to do boom slime plorts because, um, uh, because they explode the boom slimes. Yeah, they kamikaze. They kamikaze. The kamikaze people. Right? So I need to get those guys second. It's really early to do a cut, but you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna come back when I'm at the Ember Valley. Alright, here I am. I am here. So now I just gotta look for the bat slime. I feel like that's gonna be easier said than done, though. I only saw like one last. I went the wrong way, didn't I? Yeah, I went the wrong way. I only saw like one last time. So, yeah, I don't. Yeah, I've gone I've gone the wrong way. Over here, I jump. I. All right, yeah, it's clear it's gonna take me a while to get there. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut back. No, you know what? No, 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 no. You guys are watching me struggle. Y'all are gonna watch me struggle. Struggle with me, like right here, right now. Go that way, which is over there. All right. Um. Oh. Okay. Okay. I am most. Okay, so if I just go forward, I think I literally just. Yeah, I literally just go forward. All right. It was that difficult for me to just go forward? Wow. Yippee, I found here. There you go, get rid of. Ooh, 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 what are you? 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 Nothing good. Yeah, you guys just eat them. Eat the chicken. Oh, shoot. That was good. Oh, wait, did I see? No. Ah, god damn it, tar slimes. Alright, I'm just gonna avoid them. Leave the slimes to their own devices, you know? Oh, right, I said I was gonna fix the audio. I gotta... Okay, so this is how loud I speak, so I raise it to, like, right here. Maybe... Yeah, this... I feel like this is where I'm gonna... Maybe a little more lower. Yeah, right here. this is where I'm gonna leave it. So that's how I'm gonna leave it. Oh yeah. This is where they were. Are the bat slimes light sensitive? I forgot to check about that. Oh god, that damages me. Why did I not expect that? Okay, so these are crystal slimes. Ooh, new slime. Boom, slime discovered you. Alright, gotta read if these guys are slime, light sensitive. Battery like love to lurk in cold, dark places like caves, snooping down from the ceilings to scare others with their glowing red eyes and pointy fangs. Hmm? No, they're not vampires. The glowing eyes let them see in the dark is all. They also greatly dislike garlic they eat because they only eat fruit. Seriously. Pomegranate. Well, in darkness caves. Okay, so yeah, it says nothing about light being bad for them. But pomegranate. Oh my god, that did so much damage. Oh my god. Are you pomegranates? No. Oh my god, that did so much damage. Heal me. You don't heal me. Should have remembered. Oh my god! Oh, that guy's fat. You're fat. Okay, okay. Nothing there, nothing there. Got it. Ooh, do that. Okay. I gotta find pomegranates. Oh god! Oh my god. Everything's going against me right now. Oh shit. No. There we go. Okay, pomegranates. If I was a pomegranate, where would I be? I'd be up there if I was a pomegranate. Now, how do I get up there? Said the pomegranate. To get up there as a pomegranate, I would go over here, right? I found chickens before I found pomegranates. Wait. Ooh, I saw the accessing GG log thingy. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, god damn. Oh, god damn it. Hey, hold on. Get here. Come here. Come here. Do you not die to the lava? You don't die to the lava. This is the worst place for you to be. This... Alright. Don't... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, everything's going so horribly wrong. Please don't. Please, no. I'm just gonna sit here and accept defeat. No, I won't. No. There you go. While I'm at it, grab you. Okay. Okay. Okay, I get it. There's... Okay. Accessing GG log. I feel at home here. When I traveled across the glass desert, it was caves just like this one that gave me shelter and allowed me to survive my trek. Just feeling walls around me and solid ground beneath my feet gave me all the security I needed to close my eyes. Gave me all the security I needed to close my eyes and make it through another night. But I could do without some of it. Like, if I ever even smell roasted cactus again, I'm pretty sure I'd barf. Yikes, this guy did not have a good experience. Okay. Oh, this is how I get over there. Theoretically, if I was a pomegranate. Right, I go up here because I'm a pomegranate, and pomegranates go up here. Make that jump. Oh god, no! I'm alive. Alright. Alright. Now I gotta take this seriously. I gotta lock in, you know? Oh shit. Locking in. There's nothing in there, so. Ooh, what are you? I'm gonna want you. You are definitely pomegranate. Let's go. I theoretically found the pomegranates. Wait. Alright, open. What I got? Stalagmite. More decor. No! Oh god. I theoretically fell as a pomegranate. Crazy how that stuff works. Right? Crazy how it works. Okay. There's more stuff over here that I want to explore. Ooh, is this a maze? Oh my god, I swear if this is a damn maze. Oh! Oh, it's blinded. Ooh. Pretty. Is this a glass desert? Wait, hold on. Is this the glass desert from the first game? Because this sure as hell looks like it. God. I think this is. I'm just gonna... Oh, no. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Can I get up in any way? I don't think I can get back. Okay. 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 Let's see if I can get back up there, because I don't want to be stuck in here. I want to explore. With the knowledge that I can just, you know, leave at any... Oh, that's how I get back up. Okay. But how do I get up there? That's... Oh, no! I lost... Oh. Oh my god. Oh, I feel like shit. I got a new message, though. Alright, I died. I gotta redo all this stuff. At least you guys know what happens if you fall into the water. At least you guys know what happens now. Wait, why am I doing this? Alright, I put all the cube berries in there. Then I grab all of my heartbeats, right? I grab them all. And I put them in here. Right, for them to eat. Because they like to eat as them. Oh, that's the first time my inventory's been full of plorts. Let's go. True success right here. Okay, I gotta be careful when I do that. Oh, okay, why did I go through there? Well, I did it, so, like, a little too late to go back, but oh well. I harvest all these plorts. I speed run through all this shit. Alright. Sell all these. Right. Since I'm gonna be merging these guys with the boom slimes, right, and they go kaboom, I'm gonna need high walls, music box, and an air net. At least. Right, then for this, I'm gonna plant a garden right here real quick, right? Gotta make sure I can afford it first. Then I do plort collector. There we go. Oh yeah, I still got stuff to sell from these guys. Ooh, what was that? Not good. Alright. They're happy. So I'm happy. Because if they're happy, I make money. Right? And we all know what I think about capitalism. It's yummy. Right. Getting a root from... Okay, I don't know what that is. I don't know what it's about either. Alright, there you go, there you go, there you go. I'll go over here. I get the nutrient soil. Perfect. Now, for the message. Please be someone I already talked to. Oh, I have to make another voice.
Alright. They're just gonna sound like this because I don't have any other idea for what their voice could possibly be. So, are you ready? Hola, Beatrix!
Oh, they're Okay, they speak Spanish. Hola, Beatrix. Are you there? It's me, Organ Orts. I hear you're off on a big new adventure. On a mysterious... You know what? I'm just gonna go back to the other voice.
On a mysterious island filled with secrets and danger. And maybe a few succulent fruits or veggies the world has never seen before. You know, I had to ask. Ever since you got me a steady supply of Kokaboo fruits, I've been reaching for greater culinary heights within the far range. Plus, I'm getting pretty tired of eating Cocodoba pie, Cocodoba stuff, Cocoboda pudding, Cocoboda con carne, Cocoboda con Cocoboda. I'm running out of ideas and willpower. So if you see something new, please tell me and all about it. Tasty treats aside, I want to know all about the new flora and fauna you discover. Never forget, every bit of this wild world is precious and worth our care and respect. And stay hydrated out there. All that adventuring will work up a sweat, so take this water tap. Good luck, Beatrix. Keep me posted. I'm rooting for you.
Very ironic, I feel like, that we got a water-related thing after I fell into water and died. So, oh, yeah. Anyways, Chrono March. Are you okay? Oh, it's a kitty! Anyways, Cuckoo Corner. Can't afford anything, so. Okay, before I forget, I said I wanted to get the flag. Yeah, I said I want to get this flag right here. How much does it cost? 40. I can afford it. Bye. I got it. Alright. Now I just need to figure out what it costs to make. Because I want that in my ranch already. Like, right here, right now. It'd be... Wait. All this stuff, I can't afford any of it. There it is. Pink Plort 5 and 25. I can actually do that right here, right now. I can actually do that, like, right here, right now. Holy shit. Let's go. I don't love this game anymore. I'll be back. I'll retrieve the guys that have died. I guess I gotta cut again. Alright, I'm back. I just gotta collect the shit now. I also got some slime ports. Not slime ports, some freaking... I also got some freaking... some of these while I was gone. Because, like, you know, save time. But, you need to find boom ports. 4 of them, to be exact. Okay, they're gonna, you know, do that. Are you hungry, perchance? Oh, no. Oh god damn it. Okay, grab you. Okay, that's all the boom ports I need. Boom ports I need. Now I just need to go back. Okay. I just need to collect the pomegranates again. Alright. There's tar slimes, which is like annoying. Can there like not be tar slimes, please? Pretty please? With a cherry on top? What's this way? Oh yeah, this is where I lost my stuff. Alright, I'm gonna be a bat slime. So if I see... Okay. I think those tars literally... Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh god! Hold on. Alright. Oh! Oh! They're exploding. Oh my god. Oh, ow! Jesus. Oh, please die. Oh god, that hurts. Please die. Okay. Okay. Come on, explode already, explode already. Explode! Oh! The explodism. Oh, I killed it. Let's go. Are the regular slimes spawning in now? Please tell me they're spawning in now. Is there like stuff over here that I need to worry about? Here, maybe I gotta start repopulating. Starting with 2 boom slimes. Let's bring the boom slimes to repopulate the other area. Come on. Come on. You're needed for much bigger endeavors than just eating. You're needed for much bigger endeavors than eating chickens. Come on. Come on. And new environment. I've successfully relocated a slime. Maybe if I was to, you know, just like thunderstorm, race for a stop. This is new. I did not go out the same way. No, I never mind. This isn't a thunderstorm. This is just thunder sounds. And I was about to make an epic the musical reference. Bam. Alright. Anyways. Is this area repopulated yet? It is not. Alright. It isn't freaking... Okay. Alright. I'll cut back when I'm at the ranch. Alright, I'm back! I'm back and I got all this stuff. So. Yippee. Plant pomegranate. Place the bat slimes. Feed them each. Right. Feed them each. They both eat. And now put this stuff in there. So that then they start, you know, making me my money. My money. Okay. Decoration. Oh, whoops. No. Decorations. How much? What? Oh, I gotta put these in here. There you go. There you go. Now I can afford it. I've got it one. No, how do I? Oh, yeah, it's T, it's T. G, open inventory. I've literally got nothing but you. Alright. Where would I place this? Alright, new message, though. Where should I place it? I'm gonna put this away, right? No, I'm not gonna put it away. Where do I place... You know what? Yeah, right here. Right here. This looks... Yeah, that looks nice. Alright, who is it? Please don't be someone new. Victor Humphreys. Alright, I gotta be British. I gotta be British. Let me just warm up my voice a bit. Warming up my voice. Beatrix, I've done it! I believe I've cracked the super mysterious code that was sent to me. It was extraordinarily complex, but I believe that the AI that created this code displays a comparable intellect to my own, so very advanced, almost alien. Oh, you're probably wondering what it said? Well, I determined that this mysterious, perhaps even alien AI sent me a message that says, "Hello." Not much, but pleasantries count for something. More importantly, though, the moment I cracked it, I received another message. It's almost as though the mysterious AI is monitoring me. How exciting! I haven't decrypted it, deciphered it yet, decrypted it yet, but the code is considerably more complex. This should be fun. Well, back to work as ever. Hello. Pretty sure someone typed that in. It said AI, and my brain immediately went to ChatGPT. So, alright. You gotta make me the good new buck. The good new buck. It was very hard to understand me when I said new buck last time, so I gotta be clear on it now. Gotta make me that good new buck. I'm gonna put you right here. I'm gonna put you right here. I'm gonna put you right here. Alright? When I come back, you better be right there. Watch it be gone. It'd be so damn funny if it was gone. Alright. Grab you. Grab you. Oh, no, not you. Grab you. It looks like these guys are done harvesting. Are done. Are done. Yeah, they're done. They're done. They're done growing. So I just, do this. Throw them all inside, Then I go over here. The whole sleep feature's kind of ruining the fact that it's kind of absolutely destroying my farm. These guys can survive having a bit less food, don't you think? Right? Yeah, they should survive. Alright. Oh, well. I'm gonna put this all in here. Just take later. Anyways, that's not done. That's not done being, that's not done yet, so. 19, and then this one has 18. Something is missing. Or something was added, maybe. I can't tell. Alright. Yep, good to see that you're still there where I left you. Alright, sold everything there. You have that. I mean, I have how many farms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 farms. So yeah, I should buy when I have 2,000, I'm gonna buy the sprinklers upgrade for all. Ooh, wait, but I need the food thingy for all of them. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go here, buy the auto feeder for you. Buy the auto feeder for you. Right? Buy the auto feeder right there. There you go. Right, and since you actually have food in here, I'm gonna collect all this. Sorry, bunnies, but you're gonna be foodless. Because you guys... Because it's more automated this way, and it tickles my brain better this way. So I put this all in here. Right, I go over here. I was about to be mad because it was gone. Forgetting I put it in my inventory. There you go. I set this to the slowest speed. And now I'm off to get a bat slime because I didn't have a fourth one. Yeah. Hold on. I'll be back when I'm at the area. Let's go back at the ranch. Oh, that took so long. All right. Oh, no. All right. Since these guys are bitching about wanting to be fed, I'm gonna, you know, gonna... Alright. Alright. Let's do this, right? And this, then let's just steal from these guys, because I realized a while ago that I said I'd do the phosphor slime a while ago, and I never did it. So yeah, I just gotta do that. Alright? On my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Alright. No, give me this. Alright. 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 Oh, there you go. Four left over. Break you. Throw you away. Break you. Nothing good. There's so many stuff in here. Oh, oops. Okay. Alright, more decor. Gross. Oh! Abby. Okay. Alright. I did that now. I can return this to my cats now. This might be a shorter end video, because Bryce is live, and I want to watch it. Yeah, Bryce at... Hold on. I'm gonna put his freaking handle on the damn screen. But yeah, I want to watch this shit. It's entertaining. Put that in there. It's entertaining as hell, man. It's entertaining as hell. Alright. I do that to fix you. That stuff in there. Nothing new. Alright. And we got some plorts in here to sell. I'm gonna sell these, and then I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna sell all of my plorts, and then I'm gonna go. Alright, and I'm gonna procrastinate on editing. Because I honestly really just want to watch Bryce stream. Yeah. Let's just sell all this. Right, go over here, go through them. Alright, I got this stuff. This should all... Ooh, 51 apiece, and then 42 apiece. Alright. Well, now I can afford to get... I'm gonna say... Oh, yeah, I said I was gonna get sprinklers for all my food. Sprinklers. Sprinklers. I just realized that you could press space to do this and just, like, this saves so much of my time. Anyways, sprinklers. And there we go. That's it. That's it for today. Alright, well, that's it for today. Oh, shit. That's it for today. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a whole thing that I've got... every time I do an intro, I have to do it with a slime pen. But, yeah, that's it for today. Hope y'all have a good one. Hope y'all have a good one. Yep.